Hello everyone, welcome to mtsystems.ca. Today I'm going to show you how to extend C partition in your computer or make it bigger, because sometimes the storage is low and you're not able to install programs, applications, or you're not able to store data on it. In this computer, we have two partitions, two drives, C and D. I want to make C drive bigger. So let's get started. Right click on Start menu, find Disk Management and open it. We have C and D drive here. I am going to delete D drive first. You need to delete it. Right click and delete volume. Yes, it is unallocated. All right. So, and then right click on C drive. You see the item extend volume. Extend, next, next, finish. Done. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.